4 years ago, when I was leading the public transport system in Bergen in Norway, I realized something was very wrong, fundamentally wrong with the system. Do you know where buses go, where and when people needed to go? Individually, when we choose to use a car or a bus, we compare comfort, cost, and travel time. But at the city level, we have very little knowledge on how people really move. Because if you know how, where, and when people move, you can change how they move. So we had great software to optimize the routes and how we run the system, kind of making sure the drivers were on time to the bus and the buses were punctual. But we had little knowledge of how supporting the bus system was to the entire city. Public transport planning, that's the area where we are, is mainly dependent on historical data, interviews with people, outdated data, incomplete data. And the result of this is inefficient public transport networks. So at Asistobe, we are determined to change this. We are empowering cities to change from reactive planning, based on historical data, to predictive planning, where we use our algorithm and technologies to achieve this. So our team of 16 people in Norway and in Portugal have developed an amazing software which uses AI 3 ways. Firstly, our AI engine imports a lot of what I would say incompatible mobility data and makes sense of them. We import city sensor data, public transit data, GPS data, demographic data, and mobile network data, which is key. We put this together smartly, and we make a living, breathing digital twin on how people move. Now that's interesting. But secondly, we use this to predict future patterns. How this mobility is on rush hour on Sundays. But not only that, in Birmingham, we used our algorithm on match days to predict how people move when Aston Villa plays home games, and you can do the same. Thirdly, we take all this information, the predictions of the future, and let the city reorganize the public transport system, or optimization algorithms. And we have shown that the city can cut costs of public transport by a quarter, while transporting 12% more people and saving up to 20% of the emission. Asistobe is changing how public transport planning is being done. It used to be extremely complex, and we'll make it easy in a click in the software.